Can y'all hear me? Yeah. Bring it back real quick. There it is. Yeah. Heating up the oven up to 450. Redmond told me only bring essentials on the tour with me. Ain't no rookies on my floor. I sent the shot to send a message since you didn't get it more simply. Yeah, they ain't even on the boards. We just here to clean the floors. Only scorers on the course now. My daddy say they do what you allowing. I'ma sweep them up and get some more allowance for the chores. Like I was broken, barely eating. Now I'm vegan for the weekend. Why your man don't wanna order out? I'm just saying I ain't paying. I'm just cooking. Used to hunting. I just do it for the sport and the awards now. Like this is something for me. I don't hear them unless they tell me they got something for me. Nobody coming for me. So I treat it like I know nobody coming for me. Yeah, like that's a summer for me. Yeah, nobody coming for me. Yeah, nobody coming for me. Airplane mode, cruising about 1,000 feet. I ain't patriotic, but I'm trying to put them Franklins in my Patreon. Nothing but the grains in my wrist. Watch TikTok and talking overseas and watching Life Aquatic. Yeah, that's a go and get it. That's a spin it. That's a tailgate for moving when it wasn't just a tailgate of women. A backseat for sleep without the linen. A lonely at the top when they just with you when you win it. Yeah, got a mission from the source now. Got a plan, can't afford it now. Phone off when I'm boarding. You abandoned shipping. Now you so supportive. You extorted. Why I had the homies tax you at the force now. Said he want a woman in the kitchen. Told him I don't do the dishes. You gon' have to come and train me on it. Boy was cooking in the morning. He just bring it to the couch and let me put a little basil on it. Like this is something for me. I don't hear them unless they tell me they got something for me. Nobody coming for me. That's why I treat it like I know nobody coming for me. Like this is summer for me. I just treat it like I know nobody coming for me. Nobody coming for me. It's airplane mode, cruising about 1,000 feet. Yeah. Nobody coming for me. So I treat it like I know nobody. Yeah.
Welcome to
How y'all feeling?
Wireless
Y'all good?
The cellular customer you have called is unavailable or has traveled outside the coverage area. Please try your call again later.
Word. That was cool? That was good? We're cranked up? Word. I'm gonna take this hot ass jacket off.